Did you know that one wrong cleaning habit could cut the life of your laminate floors in half? Most homeowners think they're protecting their floors, but a single wrong product can dull the finish. In this video, I'll show you how to clean laminate flooring the right way so it keeps it like new shine for years. I'll walk you through 3 things you need to know to keep your laminate floors in perfect condition. First, the safest way to clean without damaging the laminate surface. Second, which products are safe to use and which ones you should never touch. And third, my exact step-by-step cleaning routine that keeps laminate floors looking brand new without all the guesswork. Think of your laminate floors like a car's paint. It looks beautiful when cared for, but if you use the wrong cleaner, it can dull or cloud the surface forever. Cleaning them the right way makes all the difference. Before we get into the routine, let's go over the tools you'll need. Alright, so we're here at Home Depot in the cleaning out section. So here are a few things you definitely don't want to use. So anything like a mop like this that usually absorb a lot of water, or something like this, try to avoid it unless you really squeeze out the water. What we recommend is usually this Bona microfiber towel here, or something like this with an attachment that has a microfiber towel. Now let's look at some of the cleaning products we have here. So if you come this way, you'll notice a bunch of different cleaning products. For example, you definitely don't want to use anything like this, where it says make your floor new again, shines, protects. Anything with waxes, oils, you want to fully avoid. What we recommend is usually just warm water and then maybe a neutral pH floor cleaner. And also Bona does make a really good laminate cleaner. This is probably the only cleaner we recommend to homeowners other than warm water and a pH neutral cleaner. And the cleaner or the mop we use most often is this mop here with a microfiber towel attachment to it. Alright, we're back. So you'll need is a soft broom or a vacuum without a beater bar to handle dirt. You'll need a microfiber mop. I recommend the Bona Premium Mop, a laminate specific cleaner like the Bona laminate formula like you have here, and a few microfiber towels. Now here's what you should absolutely avoid: steam mops, power scrubbers, abrasive pads, waxes, polishers, lacquer, bleach, soaps, mop and shine products, or anything that says restore shine or bring your floors back to life. Those usually contain chemicals or waxes that leave buildup or even void your warranty. Now for the cleaning routine, step 1, sweep or vacuum. Always start by removing dirt with a soft broom or vacuum on the hard floor. Dirt and grit are like sandpaper. If you don't get rid of them first, every mop pass is scratching your laminate. Step 2, get some warm water ready and mix with a pH neutral laminate cleaner. Or use a Bona specific laminate cleaner, which is what I prefer to do. Never reach for bleach or soaps. They'll leave a residue. They'll also strip the finish and that could void your warranty. Step 3, mop with the grain. Laminate floors should only ever be damp mopped if your product has a specific wet warranty, and only if your product's warranty allows it. Only then should you damp mop with water only, always using a well wrung out microfiber mop. That's never soaking wet. But the safest way is to use the recommended cleaner and spray it in sections and clean small areas at a time. Using your microfiber mop, go in the direction of the planks or the length of the planks. If you notice you're leaving puddles behind, your mop has too much water in it, so you need to make sure you're bringing the microfiber mop a little more. And make sure you rinse your head mop often to keep it clean and avoid spreading the dirt mop throughout the whole house.
This is very good.
Step 4. Spot clean when needed. For sticky messes, use a soft cloth with your laminate cleaner. For tougher stains like paint, nail polish, or glue, try a little mineral spirits first. If that doesn't work, as a last resort, you can use a tiny bit of acetone on a soft cloth. But always spot test in a hidden area before using it out in the open. You should only do these as a last resort if the recommended cleaner is not doing the job correctly. Now let's talk about the most common mistakes I see. Using too much water, using the wrong type of mop, using a harsh broom or a vacuum with a harsh rotary brush, leaving puddles to air dry, or using the wrong cleaners like bleach, wax, or polishers, using a steam mop, or sliding furniture without pads, or even just ignoring the instructions in your warranty guide. But the most common is using high gloss wax cleaners. They make the laminate cloudy, they damage the finish, and most of the time they usually void the warranty. And here's an important reminder: always check your manufacturer instructions on the flooring warranty before using any type of cleaner. Most warranties specifically say what you can and cannot use. One wrong product can ruin your coverage, and most homeowners don't realize that until it's too late. Beyond cleaning, here are a few simple ways to protect your laminate floors long term. First, place mats at every entrance to catch dirt, grit, and water before it gets tracked into the house. Use felt pads under all your furniture. Keep your pet nails trimmed so they don't scratch. And when you have to move heavy furniture, lift it. Don't drag it across the floor. From my own experience, the number one issue clients call me about is streaks. Almost always it comes down to the wrong cleaner. Something with wax, polish, or soaps. The best way to avoid streaks is with a microfiber mop with warm water if your manufacturer allows, or a microfiber mop with the laminate specific cleaner like Bona. That's a system I use in my clients' homes, and it's kept their floors looking brand new for years. By the way, if you know any other tricks for cleaning laminate floors that I didn't cover here, drop them in the comments below. It will help me and it will help everyone else watching this video. If you want, watch one of these two videos here.